Hey everybody, Mark Graff again, talking about how to get the most out of your home network. Well, we've talked a little bit about the overall capacity of your network, how it's measured in megabits, or if you're lucky a gigabit, millions or a billion bits a second. And we talked a little bit about what's going on your network, who's watching a movie while you're trying to have a video session, that kind of thing. But another factor that really is important is how efficiently you're making use of the capacity of the network. So even if you've got a pretty fast connection, and even if there's nobody playing games in a video game while you're trying to have a video call, you're still going to have a problem if you haven't chosen the right location for your computer. Now I'm imagining that you've got a laptop that you can move around. Maybe you don't, maybe you've got a big desktop computer. But the idea still applies, is what you want is a good strong connection between the computer, laptop, or the big desktop, and your connection to the internet. The connection to the internet plugs you in to what the service, your internet service provider is giving you. And typically, in most homes, it comes in through some kind of cable into your house. It's got a connection, and then there'll be a device. It's either called a cable modem, or you may just have a router, but basically it's the gizmo. It's a box. It's usually about this big, and it has connections in it that go out to the internet, and then it displays a wireless network. It makes available a wireless network. It's an access point, and what you want is a good, strong connection, meaning that you don't want to be, if the access point, if the router or the cable modem is in the basement, you're not going to get a good Wi-Fi connection necessarily in the attic. If it's in the den, then if you're in the kitchen with one of those metal barriers in the kitchen wall that's used for fire control, that's going to be a problem. So what you want to do is experiment, and you can do that by looking at the number of bars that you can see on your phone and your laptop that show the strength of the Wi-Fi connection. But in your mind, try to think, where is the router? Where is the source, the access point in my house? And how can I give the radio waves, because that's what's going on, how can I give the radio waves a good, clear path between the access point and my computer? And that means if you can see it, and you have what we call line of sight, that's best of all. You don't want it really, really far away. And, well, there are a couple other things you can do too, but that's the main idea. Try to get a good, clear path between the access point and your computer, and that'll help you get the most out of that internet connection. All for now, and let's hope we can all keep safe out there, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.